Are you still replying manually to your customers over the WhatsApp? Then you are not aware of this automation tool. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can streamline communication between you and your customers by creating a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Yes, you heard it right. You can streamline or automate the entire conversation between you and your customers by just creating a WhatsApp chatbot without requiring a single word of coding. So now let me show you the real-time working of this WhatsApp chatbot, which I have already built in, so that you can understand its impact and working for your business too. So now let's proceed towards my WhatsApp, where I'm going to act as a user, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is saved as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. So here I have entered this message, and as I have provided this message, I'm getting this welcome message with two buttons, that is book cards and ask question. So here I'm going to select this first button, that is book cards, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the message consisting the car categories which I want to book. And here I'm creating this WhatsApp chatbot for my car rental business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running, and you can create it for whatever business you are running, whether it's any service-based business or any online business. So now let's open this list, and here I'm getting some of the car categories. So here I'm going to select this first category, that is SUV, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the rental duration. So here I'm going to enter my rental duration as 3 days, and as I have provided my rental duration, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my pickup date. So here I'm going to enter my pickup date as 21st May 2026. So now let me just enter it, and as I have provided my pickup date, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my pickup timing. So here I'm going to enter my pickup timing as 11 a.m. So now I'm going to just type it. So here I have provided my pickup timing as well, and as I have provided my pickup timing, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So here I have provided it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting this booking confirmation message. So this shows that by the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, my customers can check out the services and even can book those services within the WhatsApp. And now I don't have to manually interact with my customers, and you also don't have to manually interact with your customers. And now this chatbot is not only limited to this. Let's move on forward and see one more magic of this WhatsApp chatbot. So here I'm going to select this button, that is ask question, and as I have selected this button, I'm getting this message which says hello, how may I help you, and here I'm going to just enter random question, and we will check whether we get the answer of our question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question. And now you might be thinking how my AI assistant is responding to me. So I have assigned this button, that is ask question, to my AI assistant, which will respond to whatever question my user will ask. And here I'm getting the answer of my question, that is yes, Drive's car rentals offers premium and luxury cars for wedding and special events. So now you have seen that my AI assistant is answering to me for the random question. Now let's enter one more question and check is it working properly or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is what documents are required to rent a car. And right here I'm getting the answer of my question. So now you might be thinking how I'm getting the answer of all these questions. So I'm getting these answers as I have provided my AI assistant the knowledge base. So the knowledge base is basically a document containing the details of the business, and this basically acts as a brain for your AI assistant. So I have provided this knowledge base to my AI assistant, which is responding to all my queries, and here I've started this knowledge base with a business overview so that my AI doesn't get confused and get to know what my business about is. And here I have provided all the services included in my business. So now you can automate this entire conversation and streamline the conversation between you and your your customers by just creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So now let me show you the process of creating it, and for that let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which is the most important window, and this is the place where we are going to create the flow for our WhatsApp chatbot. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by typing the URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing this particular WhatsApp chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Chatflow, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And here on the left hand side you can check out these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. And now here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which is going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts a conversation, or many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this keyword, that is hello. So this is the same keyword which I am going to enter over here. Now we just have to press this enter key, and here our keyword is ready, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically used for the advanced user input. And now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message, and for that I'm going to just drag and drop, and right here we are getting all these message blocks which you can get from over here too. And from here I'm going to select text button. Now in this text button node I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message for my customers. Now I'm going to create a button by simply selecting this add button, and here I'm going to enter my button name as book cards. Now from this field you can select your button type as a quick reply or link. Now we just have to click over the save button, and afterwards I'm going to create one more button. So here I have created my both buttons. Now if my users select this button, that is book cards, I'm going to provide them list of the cars available for rent, and for that we just have to drag and drop again, and right here we are getting this option for list. So now in this list node I'm going to provide a body to my list. So here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as cars, and afterwards in this particular section I'm going to add some items, and for that we just have to click over this add items, and here I'm going to create the first item of my list, or the first car available for the rent, that is SUV. Now likewise I'm going to add some more items to this particular list. So here I have added two more items to my list. Now if my user selects any of these list items or any of the cars, I want to get that response which my user has selected, and for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. So now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data, and for providing the contact custom field you just have to select this node over the action block, that is set custom field. And now here I'm going to connect it with my first list item. Now from here I'm going to select my contact custom field as car, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I have entered the same value. Now this contact custom field car will consist of the car selected by my user. So by using the $sign before this contact custom field, you can even send personalized messages to your customers. And if you wish to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened, where you can create this contact custom field by simply selecting this add more field button. And now let's provide contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items or all the cards. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I'm going to ask them some questions for renting the car, and for that we are going to use this node, that is ask question. And now let's connect it with all these contact custom field nodes, and here I'm going to enter a question asking for the rental duration. So now let's enter it over here. Now here I'm going to select my contact custom field as rental duration 2. Now let's select the format as any. Now likewise I'm going to add some more questions to this flow. So right here I have added some more questions to this flow. Now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I'm going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message in the text button node. So here I have entered this confirmation message. So with this we are done with our second button. Now let's proceed towards our second button, that is ask question. So for that I'm going to assign AI assistant, as I have recently told you about it. So right here for assigning the AI assistant we are going to use this node, that is assign AI assistant. And now I'm going to select the AI assistant which I have recently created over my Pabbly Chatflow account. So if you want to create your own AI assistant, then you just have to move towards this AI assistant page given over the side bar. And now from here I'm going to select the AI assistant created in my account. So here I'm going to select this AI assistant, that is car rental AI. Now it is asking me how my AI assistant should start with. So I want my AI assistant to start with a welcome message. So here I'm going to select the welcome message, and now let's enter the welcome message which I'm going to send. Now we just have to save this flow by simply selecting the save button, and here we have created a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to streamline the client communication or the conversations with your business. So now you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot and you can modify it according to whatever business you are running. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.